You know, when people hear AI in criminal justice, I feel like half the room imagines robot judges and the other half just panics. But at its core, it's really all about using algorithms to help make decisions like who gets bail, parole, or even how long someone serves.
Right, and what blows my mind is that these tools are already being used in hundreds of courts around the US. I remember reading about risk assessment algorithms that crunch data from criminal records and spit out a score like, how likely is this person to reoffend?
Exactly. And what's wild is, most people don't even realize these AI programs might be playing a part in real cases. I mean, would you want a judge relying on a computer's suggestion for your future?
It's a little unnerving, honestly. I get the appeal, it's supposed to make things more efficient and fair, get rid of human bias. But I can't help but wonder, are we just replacing old problems with new ones?
Good point. Let's dig into how these systems actually work. They analyze piles of data, past offenses, age, education, stuff like that to predict if someone's a high or low risk. Sounds scientific, right?
Sort of, but isn't there a catch? Like, if the historical data is already biased, the AI basically just learns those old patterns and passes them off as objective.
Yeah. It's like teaching an algorithm to cook using your grandma's secret recipe, but forgetting grandma always doubled the sugar. The result might look legit, but it's got the same quirks baked in.
Exactly what I was thinking. There's this infamous case with the Compass tool studies found it was more likely to label black defendants as high risk compared to white defendants, even when their backgrounds were similar.
That Compass example really gets people fired up. If AI systems are just repeating society's old mistakes, is it actually making justice smarter or just faster at being unfair?
I worry it's the latter. Like, imagine being told you're a high risk and getting a longer sentence, but no one can explain why. It's just the algorithm said so. Talk about feeling powerless.
And it's not like these systems are open books. A lot of the time, the code is proprietary. So even if someone wanted to challenge their score, they can't see what went into it.
That kind of black box decision-making? It's the stuff of sci-fi nightmares. I mean, at least if a judge messes up, you can appeal and argue your case. But with AI, good luck arguing with math you're not allowed to see.
But let's flip the script for a sec. Judges aren't perfect either. Sometimes their gut feelings are way off. Couldn't AI at least help by providing some kind of neutral starting point?
Maybe, if it's used as just one piece of the puzzle. I actually get the idea that a judge could look at the algorithm's recommendation, but still make their own call based on the whole story.
That's the dream, right? Like AI as a smart assistant instead of a replacement. But as soon as people start relying on the tool too much, the human element starts to fade.
Totally, there's even a term for it, automation bias. People tend to trust the computer even when their own instincts say something's off. It's like autopilot for sentencing, and that's dangerous.
So that brings up the million-dollar question. Can we actually make AI work fairly in criminal justice? Or are we just chasing a shiny tech dream?
Honestly, I want to believe we can. There are researchers pushing for transparent algorithms, regular audits, and making sure communities have a say in how these tools are built.
That gives me a little hope too. Like, if we treat AI as a tool to help, not a shortcut, and actually listen to the people it impacts, maybe we could get the best of both worlds.
And at the end of the day, maybe the real win is keeping our eyes wide open. No system, human or AI, is perfect, but if we stay curious and critical, at least we can keep pushing for something better.